on, guys? Today we are gonna be helping out a buddy, Ryan, one of his clients, getting the AIS 800 installed because they're going to the Bahamas. With all the Bahamas new rules now, we need to have AIS installed in boats over a certain amount of feet in length. I think every boat should have it going over there because no one knows really how to drive boats, and it just makes everyone feel safe. What do I know? But these units are pretty simple. I'll show you how to install one. I think this is going to be on a Viking. They're not very expensive in the grand scheme of things. They're about $1,000 plus install. Let's go. Oh man, who loves sitting in traffic? I do. Alright, we're looking around, looking for the NEMA bus bar and VHF. We're going to install this AIS. I just want to make sure I don't need any extension cables and all that. Whew, it's hot in here. Need to get some airflow in here. Always forget one screw. Yep, this is where we need to be. We got the NEMA bus bar. That looks like a nice place to put the AIS. Just got to get some power. Oh shit. Just picked up a bilge pump. Now we are going to get the AIS system. Thanks West Marine for having nothing. Alright, we got the package and we got the antenna splitter. If you guys are ever doing this, you need these and these. Let's go. Alright, we're back at the house. Now I'm just going to go through everything I'm going to do, make sure I bring all the right tools. Definitely forget something. And get it going. Let's see what we got in here. Guess I don't know how to open this thing. Ooh. guess I gotta melt these down for them. Too soft. There we go. Just gotta find power. Got to extend power for the splitter, and then I can connect everything to the new fuse block. Luckily I had a fuse block in the van, otherwise I was going to have to run wires way too far. Always be prepared. Oh, and of course, out of everything I brought, I forgot zip ties. Alright, this is how I get it measured of where I kind of want it. I know I want my power to come here. And then the ground's gonna come here. So I am gonna take this sheathing off to about here. Got him. There it is. There we go. You can see all the other boats that have AIS. You see that one's moving. Now you can install an AIS system and it will always receive. So that means you'll be able to see the other boats that are transmitting. But no one can see you until you get an MMSI number and you register it with the FCC. I'm not 100% how it goes down. I just install the stuff, but you need to send in an application prior to getting this installed so you can have your numbers. Getting the numbers through Boat US does not work in international waters like the Bahamas. So do a little more research and you'll be good to go. This is what I would catch. All right, guys, that's about it for today. Got the AIS and that bilge pump changed, and they're going to the Bahamas tomorrow morning. Good to go.